not waste food.
We should not waste water. Pack your bag yourself.
We should not waste paper.
We should use phone for limited time.
Eat healthy food.
Eat healthy, stay healthy.
We should wash our hands before and after eating food. Pack your bag yourself.
We should not waste water. We should help our elders. We should not waste water. We should wash our hands before and after eating food. We should not waste water and soap. We should respect our elders.
We should give water to plants.